that's not needed. Seriously? Da. Ito, ang Brussels sprout is pang pagahi daw na sa mga lalaki, no? Pero hindi... I'm sorry, love. That's you. You put that there.
I didn't put the cheese.
You did. Yes, finally. Magagamit ko na ang sasakyan, no? Magagamit na natin itong sasakyan. And yun. Uy, for a long time. Magamit na natin. May nakalimutan na naman siya sa sasakyan niya. What did you forget? Your brushes? Huh?
Yeah.
You are so beautiful tonight. Can't you see? What?
Could have a leak, but then you would know it on the floor.
No, there's no leak.
Middle.
Okay mga love, so let's go. And yun, for some reason my camera.
I'm assuming that thing's going down, so you shouldn't have to be.
Yes, did you do it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go.
They still have their snow spikes up.
Huh? Yeah, I did it. What are they covering, Han? Do you know?
I don't know, maybe wood.
I have to maintain with walking this thing.
That ground out, get moving under there.
Yeah, I need to cover that shit.
It won't do any good.
Why?
Because they got more than one hole to the same place. You know that, right?
Seriously. Ito na naman kami bibili ng tawag nito mga pagkain ng alaga namin. Yun lang yung gustong yun lang yung pinunta ni Mr. dito. Sabi. So yun, habang nakatingin ako kay Mr., may sasabihin talaga ako mga labsa. Pakinggan ninyo. Ganyan naman ako talaga, hindi man mapigilan. Hey, not so much dry food treats. They still have a lot of treats. Where is that? They don't have Champion, love. Wait, they have downstairs like that. Huh?
I know.
If you're looking for thing, you get the Champion.
That's why we get those, but we gotta go shop right. And hopefully they got them, but they won't necessarily have them.
Shop right? We have to go?
Yes, they don't have them here.
Oh,
The only place I've ever seen them.
you don't tell me that.
I did tell you that.
Ito mga labs, may kinuha siya pero may sasabihin ako para hindi niya ito kunin kasi pataka-taka na magkukuha ko niyo eh. They don't like this chunk. They don't like chunk. They don't like chunk. They don't like that. Believe I know them.
We'll try it.
37. How much is this?
Same, about the same.
Allah, it's already freaking 80 bucks for this. Grabe style.
People get rid of dogs.
We should get rid of them. Can we get rid of them? No, that's not needed. Seriously? Da. Masabihan lagi kita na hindi yan kailangan. Kasi talagang hindi. This is how you cook stuff now? Seriously? That's crazy thing. Let's go na. We don't need this shit here. So, no, sunod-sunod lang tayo kay Mr. Sunod-sunod. No? In a heat weather, like, you put cold water here and a mist. Meron akong nakita dito mga sleeveless ba? Magagandang mga sleeveless mga loves. Oh. Look. Kaso sabi ko, puputiin niyo itong kilikili ko very soon. Kailangan ko na bibili na talaga ako nito. Kasi ang kilikili is ano. Uy, this is nice, love. I like this. Look. Maganda siya mga loves. Ang price nito is $21. Look. Maganda siya. Look. No. Do you like it? Huh? Come on, let's go. Maganda ng tomato. May kasabihan po na ito, ang Brussels sprout is pang pagahi daw na sa mga lalaki, no? Pero hindi ko ito binili para pang pagahi. Binili ko to kasi talagang masarap naman talaga ito. Yun lang yung naririnig ko mga labsa, pang pagahi daw yan. Oh, make sure that it's not bad. Huh? Oh, this is a brown. Let's see kung anong meron dito, no? Naghanap ako na tayo. Ito yun. Ito yung hinahanap ko mga darling. Ito yun, Han. This is what I'm looking for. Beef chunk, riblets. Yun. Ito yung hinahanap ko mga loves. Magkaano ba ito? $10 ito. Yeah. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Bili tayo. Here. Oh, that's the thing. Okay, get okay. Huh? Oh, this is okay. This is good one only. Hello, this is what you get before from BG's that we like, right?
From here.
From here? No, we get some like this from BG's. Good. Okay, which one is good? The regular one?
I don't know. You got whatever you want.
For bacon, it become like crazy expensive, right? Right?
It's regular.
Get one only.
It's not thick cut.
Huh? It's not what?
It's thick cut. You don't
That's fine. I don't like thick cut. Palagi kong sinasabihan yung asawa ko, no. Kapag meron siyang makikitaan din, gusto niyang kunin, sabi ko, no. Kasi nakakaano talaga itong asawa ko. Oh, you should get this, Land O'Lakes, this one. Right?
What do we want? We came here for the beef.
Do they have unsalted one
Yeah,
here?
you won't like the flavor.
Okay, this one, get this one. What, you don't like the flavor? Hanap tayo ng itlog mga loves na sabi pa, certified humane. This is $5 na. Kapag bumibili pala kayo ng itlog mga loves, ito pala yung hanapin ninyo, oh. Free range na ano, and then it says large, and then organic, and then it says certified humane. Look, ito yun siya. This one too. Okay, we should get dog food. Oh, nako, Tami. Angel soft. You never tried that before. How soft is your angel? How soft is your angel? Baby, my angel. How many ply is this? One ply? Everything is stripped. Oh, the other one too. Under here, look. Oh,
Really?
U-turn. He did a U-turn. What the heck is going on with this man? Tignan niyo yun siya mga loves to. Alam ko na, I think I know what he's turning back here.
What?
Coffee.
There you go.
I know what it is.
Amazing.
Amazing. I know you. Where's the coffee? Right there. Kaloka talaga tong asawa ko. Coffee talaga. Even though we have ton of coffee, he still want more coffee. There you go. It's a coffee guy. Sus, akala ko mga loves magpunta kami sa mga dog food. Dito pala sa jeans. Kaloka ng asawa ko. Uy, they have a good one, love. Look. The other one. The military, look. Look, they have a big one here. No, this is so big. What? They're not thick anymore?
Yeah,
Oh, they're
they
different.
make them crappier but every day.
Nice, love. Oh, sure. Uy.
They don't have a pocket.
Oh, you don't. ang ganda sana bumibili ng mga gamit ba? Padala sa Pilipinas. Oh, mga container. Oh. Ito, container na ito. Yan. Pagdating ko sa Pilipinas, alam nyo ba, nung sabi ko sa pamilya ko, container. Meron ba kayong mga container? Container man pala na mga kanang malaki ba? Lalagyan ng tubig. Ito, container man yan sa dito kasi. Kaloka. Han, umutot ka, Han. Umutot ka. Seriously. Parang baho man ng utot, Han.
Mauna, kay kung makakwarta, dayon manggasto. Ngayon dayon og deserve ko ni. Unya, pagkahurot sa kwarta, nang hinuktok, deserve po ni mo na.
The plane. What is that, Han? So, what is that movie, The Plane? Fantasy Island. the plane, the plane. At so yun, ito na yun ang bili ni Mr. nga, no? Ay, soft angel man, no? Soft and strong. Ah, he likes soft and then strong at the same time. Halahan, I don't like this thing, you know what?
Really?
I'm sorry, love. That's you put that there.
I didn't put the cheese.
You did.
I did not. Seriously?
Eat the egg.
You could hold those on your lap.
In my lap? In my lap. I'll be waiting in pain in my lap. Before Tommy lock you in here, I'll go bring this in here. But I'll grab the lock. Alam nyo ba, galing kami sa isang grocery store sa Walmart at itong asawa ko gustong magpunta sa ShopRite or sa Stop and Shop para daw maghanap siya ng cat food. Sana hindi kami nagpunta
Small
dito,
one.
mga loves. Tignan nyo,
Snow crabs.
nakagasto tuloy kami.
Snow crab, small one. Look how much is that? How much did you say? 30? The whole thing is 30? 33? Seriously?
Down south.
The whole thing?
25, you want it?
35, the whole thing?
25, it's on sale.
Oh, 25?
Yeah.
Oh, get this lang. Oh, 25. Ang lami kay nagatan. Coconut. With ano? Ay, nako. Brisket. Oh, this is good, honey.
Well, that one's on sale too.
This is, you know what happened? I'm gonna look for recipe.
brisket.
Brisket, I told you.
Yeah.
They're good. Don't get that. It's a lot of fat. No, not it's a lot
There's
of
going to be
fat.
fat on all of them, no matter what. You know, that's how it works.
There is a recipe that I always look about doing brisket. It's so freaking good.
So
But
you
they
want
use charcoal. They use freaking charcoal. We can freeze this, hun.
Yes. Wait, the room.
Get this one. It seems like it's thicker. That's a lot of fat.
I don't know how much.
No, there's a
I'm
lot
going to
of
get one
fat.
that's thinner and less fat. This one.
Oh my God, no. This is naku, ginoo ko talaga itong asawa ko. Tama. Come
What
on
is
na.
this?
Come on na. You scare me na. You scare me.
I scare you. So far, you spent $100 since you walked through the door.
Oh, that's good for food. That's good for my
Yeah.
receipt. Yes. Gutom na si Inday Merian. Nakabili tuloy kami dito sa ibang grocery store na naman kini mga loves. Nakabili na naman kami ng kalukan ni itong asawa ko. Excited ako gataan ko yung gataan natin yan. With with malunggay and then with kalbasa. Ay. This over there, keep going. The thing is right there. Dry food, no. We have a lot of dry food downstairs. Hala, companion right here. Right here, big box.
That's cans. That's not powder.
At pagdating ko sa bahay, mga loves, inilagay ko ito sa freezer. Kailangan talagang ilagay sa freezer bago mag-defrost, no? Kasi nga, masisira. Nagmamadali na ako dito, mga loves, kasi pagdating ko dito talaga, kumakain agad ako. Kasi nga, akala ko talaga magkulaps ako sa gutom, mga loves. So yun, binanatan kong kumain. And then pagkatapos nito, ito na yun inasikaso ko. At alam niyo ba, wala po ito sa plano yung mga binibili namin ngayon, yung sa ibang store, kasi nga, bangalawang store na pinuntahan namin ngayong araw, yun, wala talaga ito sa plano. Iwan ko na lang sa asawa ko talaga. At kasalanan ko din kasi turo ako ng turo.
We have too much food, love. We're so blessed. Because we are spender. Our ref is full. Puno ang ref, mga loves. Puno. Ang freezer, puno lahat. Ngayon, dagdagan na naman. Ay. Pasalamat talaga kami, no? Kasi hindi talaga kami nagkapo sa Kini, itong asawa ko is pahigasto ng pahigasto. Which is, okay naman siya. Busog naman palagi. Ang wish ko lang sana, andito yung mga kapatid ko. Yun. Ilagay natin sa basement ito bago na. So, anyway mga darling. So, galing po ako sa basement. Masasabi ko sa inyo, sobrang, nakakaano man itong semester ko kapag siya na yung talagang mag-grocery. Pero, yes, ang freezer ko mga loves, nahihirapan po ako kasi po ang daming pagkain talaga, promise. And, hindi lang yun, nahihirapan ako maglagay sa mga nabili namin ngayon. And, so, nagpapasalamat ako kahit ganito, kahit na ang iba nagsasabi na masasayang lang yung mga binili. Yun, sabi ko kay Tami, mag-start na kami. Papuntahin dito yung kapatid niya, kahit walang mga okasyon, no?
At yung asawa ko, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo naman siya. He's busy food for his kitten. He just love his kids. He loved me too, mga loves. You thought he just loved the animals? He loved me too. I like too much food in this house. It's hard to lose weight. Lucky dog.
Yeah.
What?
When you use those cans, do one stack at a time because it's a different flavor each. So you go across the top, you get the same flavor every time.
Okay.
You just go, one's one flavor, the next one's a different. There's really a variety.
At ngayon napagdiskitahan na naman ni Mr. ang aming freezer dito sa taas, guys. Guys, kasi nga ang ice nagloko. Ang ice maker po namin ay hindi na talaga nag-produce, no? Hindi na nagbubuntis ng mga ice charat. But anyway, so tinanggal niya mga loves, tinitignan niya kung ano ba talagang mga problema dito. At alam niyo naman itong asawa ko, mahilig mag-ayos, magkalkal or kahit ano-ano pang mga pinagagawa, no? At sana lang okay lang yung ice maker po namin at yung machine dyan sa ilalim talaga. Kasi yan yung mga tinitignan ni Mr. At ngayon naglilinis-linis na siya dyan.
Dito na yung order ni Inday Mary Ann, no? Ngayon pa dumating. In-order ko to, 3 days ago. Ngayon lang dumating. Ito yung talagang gusto kong i-orderin. Kaso, naghanap-hanap ako nito sa tindahan. Wala akong makita kasi gusto kong may grinder po tayo ng ating asin at paminta, mga darling. No? Let's see kung anong kasama nito, be. Sa Amazon ko lang ito in-order. Hugasan natin, of course, no? It's plastic, pero makapal siya na plastic, mga loves. No. So, what can you say about this? Return.
It's junk. You turn it over, and it gets jammed up by the peppercorns. So what's
Yeah.
the point? The whole purpose of this thing is to grind the peppercorns, and
Not like
it
keep jamming.
jams up.
So, we're going to return this, mga loves. So now, it's crazy.
Turn it is. So, ibalik natin sa box. Kasi ganyan dito, mga loves. Buti na lang dito talaga maka-return ka. Kahit nagamit mo na, i-return. Kung hindi mo nagustuhan, i-return. I don't know if mag-order ako ng iba, eh. Maganda yung review nito, eh. Kapag mag-order kasi ako, yung mga review, binabasa ko talaga siya. So, ito, maganda yung review. Pero, hindi siya magagamit kasi can you imagine yung salt at saka yung paminta. Mag-grind siya and then mag-stack. Kasi hindi na kayang i-grind.
At dahil hindi pa pala tapos si Mr., ang ginagawa niya ngayon is ang refrigerator. Kanyang tinanggal dyan. So ngayon binibiran niya at sus, ang laki pala nito, mga loves, grabe. Ang laki-laki talaga nito. Iwan ko na lang. Ang bigat-bigat kasi nga puno, no, puno. So ngayon, ang pinagagawa ni Inday Mary Ann, dahil po na-shock ako kasi madumi ang sa likuran. Hindi masyadong madumi na sobrang dumi. Meron lang talagang mga yung dust bags sumaka na doon sa bubong, sa dingding, no? So ngayon, ang pinagagawa ko is kailangan kong linisin dito at protektahan yung floor dyan sa may kung saan yung refrigerator, mga darling. So i-continue ko lang ito bukas talaga kasi gabi na. Thank you for watching.